you dropped it. Gonna pick it back up? Yep, you got it. Now what are you gonna do? But Alex, it's your hand that makes it sing. You have to touch it. Okay, you dropped it. Pick it back up. Yep, you picked it back up. And tap, tap, tap. Dropped it. Yeah. Boy, I bet Miss Kim would like it if you actually looked at it. Oh, there you go. And pick it back up. Whoops. Where did it go? Oh, gonna get it with the other hand. And tap with that hand. Very nice, Alex. No, Mommy's not gonna help you. Dropped it again. And picked it back up. And dropped it again. And picked it back up. Are you actually looking? No, but there it is. Where did it go?